All right, we're going to look at our 3 out, 2 in offensive pattern, basically. Okay, so we start with 2 post players down here. So we've got a post player here and a post player here. Our 2 bigger players. So they're going to start there. Make sure they're staying outside of the key. If they hang inside the key, we're going to get a 3 and a key call. So you got to step completely out, both feet out, before you can go back in. And you've got to do that 1001, 1002, 1003. You need to be out by then, okay? If we look at the free throw line, okay, this is roughly where we're going to set with one of the guards here, a small forward here, okay, the point guard here on the top, okay. Now, whenever we make a pass, we always want to, if we haven't used our dribble, we should fake it and pass. We can do a misdirection, or the point guard's going to pass to the guard. They can make a crossover or some kind of a fake, and then they're going to come towards the guard. They pass to the guard here, okay? And they're going to, so after they pass to the guard, they are going to really quickly cut to the corner here. So now we got our point guard here, and the guard is there. So the guard got the ball there, and they've just moved, and so we've created a position that's empty right here, okay? So the ball's still in the guard's hand on the right-hand side, and then the forward here is going to have to fill. So the forward's going to fill to this position. So we've got our forward here. We've overloaded on one side. If you take a look at it now, there's nobody on the other side, especially when we play against a zone. The zone is going to adjust. Okay, so if we can get the pass to the guard here right away, that's fine, okay, and he'd be ready to pass. So if it goes, it obviously went here, and then if it goes to the point guard right afterwards, he could be ready to shoot, drive, pass it to the post. As soon as that first pass was made to the guard, okay, that is when we're going to have this post player is going to flash to the top. Okay, so they're going to flash up here. We've got a post player here now, and they're no longer there, right? So they flash to the top. The ball can either go to the point guard. It could go to either of the posts. This post player down at the bottom here, this post player is going to be trying to get position. If the ball comes down to the point guard, they're going to try to get the inside position, sealing off here. And if not, then they're going to seal off more like right here to get the ball. And they're going to have to read the defense and what the defense is allowing. Same thing here. This player here at the top post right here, they're just sealing off trying to get position. Okay. Now, if at any time one of the guards, either guards drives to the basket, let's say this guard drives to the basket, then this post player is not going to get in his way, but rather he's going to go towards the basket with him, but giving space. So he's going to draw his man away here. Okay, if his man collapses on here, then the guard's going to be able to pass it. Okay? So anytime there's a drive, the post players need to get out of the way, make space, and go to the basket with them. Okay? If the ball comes into one of the post players, okay, so it goes straight to this guy here, the ball came in there, he can turn and face looking for a shot. If he gets overwhelmed, he can pass it back out, okay? So this point guard, if he does not get the ball and the ball's not coming in, what they need to do, and this is going to happen very quickly usually, okay? So by the time the point guard gets here, this guard might already be thinking about making a pass to the other guard that just filled in the position there, okay? So this is the point guard now. So at that point, this guard is going to run and fill over here, okay? And then we can swing the ball, okay? And we swing the ball over here. I got a point guard here now. Okay, and if you notice there, we are back in our position, okay, where we started. We've got our guard here, we've got a forward here. Now, that's happening, and as that's happening, okay, so we got the ball to the high post here. When the ball went, or sorry, back to the top of the key. So let's get the ball that swings across here.